This is a little piece of paper that comes with your Breeze. It's the beginner's guide. Welcome to the Yuneec Breeze 4K Quadcopter drone. They give it a little introduction. Welcome, pilot. Yuneec is committed to providing you with superior customer experience. Should you have any questions about your Breeze, please visit yuneec.com/support or contact us directly before you fly. Then they say, we would love to see what you are doing with your Breeze. Important additional information. Go to our official website, yuneec.com, to watch launch videos and tutorial videos of Breeze before you start. Yuneec.com/support provides an extensive frequently asked questions section on Breeze as a supplement to the quick start guide. And then they got their addresses. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Tells you what's in the box, contents. Startup. Tells you the colors. Initialize fails, all red. Succeeded. Blinks blue, red, green alternately. Compass calibration. Entered into compass calibration. Blinks yellow slowly. When it's done, effective data collected, blinks white rapidly. And when compass calibration is completed, blinks all green. And then I don't know what the time between all white and all green is. And then if it fails, it'll turn all red. Indoor-outdoor operation. Indoor operation turns solid ice blue. Outdoor turns green. How it knows? Have no clue. GPS, I have no idea. All right, low voltage warning. First level low voltage warning, blinks red rapidly. Second level, blinks red rapidly. But this time, they're showing 2 on the outside. This time it's all 5. And then when you're landing, automatic home, glows solid red. Automatic landing, glows solid red. Notice if the second low voltage warning pops up on the screen, land your Breeze immediately and recharge the battery. Do not attempt to return to home when the low battery warning is triggered. And then the Wi-Fi status. Entered into Wi-Fi bind mode. Bound with Breeze successfully. Blinks green slowly or glows solid green. When everything's successful, the whole thing will be green. So there's the lights right there on the side that you will see. There you go.